wabarakatuh. My name is Viky Bagus. I am from class C. I am going to talk about root contraction. So, to start with definition of root, types of root, then importance of root, after that root failure, and then maintenance of root, and the last conclusion. Please feel free to interrupt me if you have any question. I will answer your question after my presentation. Let's begin by definition of root. Definition of root. Root is a line transportation structure covering all parts of the road, including complementary building and equipment intended for traffic, which are on the surface of the land, above the surface of the land, below surface of the land, and are water and above the water. Except for road train, lorries, and cable roads. Next, types of road. Types of road, there are two: public road and atoll road. Public roads are roads that can be used by everyone, usually provided by the government using state funds. This type of road and can be used by vehicles for free. Construction and maintenance of public roads are used funds from the government. Atoll roads. Atoll road does not really mean a road that is a large size. Atoll roads are roads that are paid for whatever type of road, as long as it is paid, it will be called a toll road. The goal is to provide a toll road and free traffic congestion to connect one city point with another quickly. Next, importance of roads. 1. Expedite the traffic in developed areas. 2. Improve the distribution of development results. 3. Ease the burden of government funds through the participation of road users. 4. Increase the mobility and accessibility of people and goods. And the last, so that there are many accidents. Now we will move on road failure. 1. Road material is not good. Overload vehicle, built at will without thinking long term. Many contractors have reduced development funds and parcel strength. And then maintenance of road. Road maintenance is everything that is done to keep the road that has been built so that it remains in good condition and can be used for a long time. It costs a lot to build a road. If there is no maintenance, then the fund used to build it will be in vain. If maintenance is carried out, the road can be used throughout the year by the community. If the road is not maintenance, road maintenance steps: 1. Culvert maintenance. 2. Channel maintenance. 3. Road shoulder maintenance. 4. Erosion repair. 5. Maintenance of road equipment. And finally, in conclusion, facility access for someone to go anywhere and relation between province, cities, regions, so that someone quickly reaches out to minimize accident and must obey traffic signs. Okay, there are any question? Okay, thank you for attention.